Alright guys, what's up? We got a new Battlbox. Pretty cool, really cool stuff this month. You can see a lot of it's already kind of put together, and there's not a lot of items this month, but there's a lot of useful stuff. So this is mission 49. And again, they don't have really themes anymore. They're just kind of putting together items in a box. This is your sit rep card, your basic, advanced pro, and pro plus. First item is the Be Smart and Get Prepared first aid kit. Now I've seen these sold at Walmart, and it's actually a pretty nice little first aid kit. It's got a nice little package here. One thing I really like about it is how well organized it is. I really like these dividers, and then they're Velcro, and it organizes like your bandages and your cleaning, like your antiseptic wipes, your gloves in one pouch, bandages, small bandages in another pouch, and here you have like some larger compresses, emergency blanket, and a cold compress. And you've got a little extra thing here you can add things to, which I will definitely do. So not a bad little kit. I'll throw on some steri strips and some other items that are missing, and you have a nice little first aid kit. So that's the first item, 25 bucks. You have the next item is these Zippo matches, and I've already opened a lot of this stuff. Like I said, this is actually pretty cool. These are the Zippo Typhoon. So it comes in this waterproof container. On the bottom you have a seal here for the striker right there, and then you have the matches, and I've actually put them in there in the package so they stay even more water resistant. But they're huge matches, and they will burn in water, anything really. They don't really go out. Wind, nothing. Let's see here. So built to last, ignition, blah blah blah, wind resistant, water resistant. So Kieran on the Battlbox, he did a cool test of this stuff, to how well they hand up to water, and you can even put them out. And there's actually an extra striker in there, which is cool. So I'm gonna keep mine like that and then throw in my bug out bag, because you always need fire, right? Just a nice little container there that you can reuse. You have a little hook here, you could put a lanyard or something through it. So nice item. So that's a $12 value. Next up is the Lord & Field Notes leather notepad. In case you guys didn't know who Lord & Field was, it's actually the Dan, the owner of Battlbox. It's his other company. So it's a nice, really nice leather notebook. I've got something similar to this, and it's used for field notes essentially. Now it doesn't come with the field notes. It comes with this off-brand grid paper, but you got some like slots here for business cards and stuff. I actually threw a field notes book in there just to show you that it does fit. If you want to use field notes, you can use that. So there's 2 notebooks in here right now. You probably wouldn't use it like that, but nice little leather bound notebook. Just something to take with you in the field. One thing I would have liked to have seen though, and I have another book like this that doesn't have a pen slot. I think you got to have a piece of leather right here or something to hold your pen. I mean, just makes sense to me. And every time I see one of these notebooks, it doesn't have that feature. It's kind of strange. So, but that is a $28 value. Really nice, high quality leather, good stitching. Lord & Field logo down there. And the last item in the basic is these organic pumpkin seeds. Apple cider vinegar, garlic, cane sugar, chili tomato, sea salt, paprika. Are these all at one? Oh, these, okay. So this is the Sweet Texas barbecue. They're offered in all these other, yeah, cool roasted pumpkin seeds. Yeah, I'll save them for an emergency. I was gonna bust them out and eat them, but I thought, well, wait, I got my protein shake here anyway. I need to drink, so. All right, guys, so that's the basic. Let's see what's in the advanced. While you're looking at it, right here, it's the Battletech Whoopee, or Bubby. What is it called? Bubby, not Whoopee. The Battletech Bubby. So I'm using it right now as a cover for this table, which is one of the major many uses you can use it for. Yeah, the Bubby. Poncho liner, blanket, sleeping pad. You could use it for whatever. This is the stuff sack it comes in. It's in a multicam print there. And like I said, I'm using it for a tablecloth. You could use it for a sleeping bag, poncho. You could use it for just like a blanket to put on the ground and have a picnic on. You could use it for shelter. There's got these little ties here. You can see these. they're all throughout and they're on the corner, so you could actually use this to make like a cover, you know, like a shelter. I don't think it's going to be terribly water resistant. It's not like a tarp, but something else you could use it for. So that is the one item in the Advance. That's a $40 value. Really cool. I dig it. Definitely going to get used. Pro is this beauty right here. This, oh, and I forgot the bag. I left it inside. But this is the bow, the survival bow that everyone's kind of been anticipating Battlebox bringing out. And this is kind of what delayed Battlebox. This is actually March's box, and we're just seeing it now because of the delay with these bows. But I will tell you, really cool. So it's a takedown bow. So it all fits in a little sack that I stupidly left inside. And then you get these arrows as well. And these arrows break down. And I've been actually using this. I'll put in some footage here in a minute with my son shooting it in the backyard. But we've been having a great time just kind of learning how to use it, shooting it. It does have like, I think, a 28-pound draw weight. And so I think the max, I mean, we've hit some pretty good shots from like 25 yards away. That's pretty much as far as my backyard goes, as far as in one linear line, I guess. And it was safe to shoot into a backstop, but it's decently powerful. I mean, I don't doubt that you could take, you know, game with this if needed in an emergency situation. And that's kind of the idea, right? It's a takedown bow. It's not really, you know, you're not going to go out deer hunting in normal deer season and bow season with this. It's more of a survival type item, but it's also a lot of fun. The kids been having a lot of fun shooting it, and I've had a good time too. So we've set up some targets in the backyard. So that is a $40 value. No, sorry, wrong. $80 value. It's the Rascal Survive 55 takedown bow, first release. So it's actually pretty cool. Works well. It's well put together. It was easy to assemble, easy to get the string on. So no big deal. $80 there. All right, Pro Plus is the knife of the month. Knife of the month this month is actually pretty stinking cool. It's by Bastion Gear, which Bastion and Battlebox have a long-term relationship, and they've done quite a few knives for them. This one is called the Baron. Look at that baby. That's a shiny brass bolster right there. I'm hoping that patinas and that's not like it's always gonna be polished because it's just gonna get scratched, but you've got a nice brass bolster. You got real carbon fiber handle here. This is I believe a G10 backspacer, maybe carbon fiber. You got San My Damascus steel there. Really, really pretty. It is a stainless steel frame lock. A lot of people are wondering if it's titanium. It is not. I did a magnet test, and it's a little too heavy to be titanium as well. Weighs in at about 5.3 ounces. It is on it's on bearings. I don't believe they're ceramic. They may be ceramic, but it's on a bearing system, so you can do the middle finger flick there. I've got this at a weird angle. You can do that middle finger flick as I failed twice. The hole's not terribly big, but you can also open it like this. So really nice action, very smooth, really nice. I mean, one of the better, I'd say I actually did some measurements, about 4.7 inches long in the handle, about a 3.5 inch blade. Really comfortable handle, nice ergonomics, very good. Comfy in the hand, some nice jimping up here. So you got some good control with it. So I think this is probably the best knife that Battlebox, as far as folders. There's been some great fixed blades, but I think this is one of the better knives they put in the Battlebox in a long time. So really cool knife. $120, I believe, is the price on this. Yep, that's the value of this knife this month. So all in all, with everything included, $307 is your value, and you pay $150 for this Battlebox. Really good deal. Really cool stuff in it. I'm excited to see what April brings. April is the 50th box, which is kind of a big number. So we'll see what it brings. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Yeah. Nice. Do it again.
I don't know if I can.
Nice. You got both of them in. It's pretty fun, right?